So Rayal Energy is an energy management company, and the core products we lead will be LED lighting and bill management.
When target integration came into the picture, we were using Excel sheets to gather all our information.
We had gotten a price from 2 other companies. They didn't listen to us the way target integration basically listened to us, and obviously they were a hell of a lot more competitive in their pricing as well.
We travel a lot for work, so whether we could be working away in our offices in China, and to be able to get someone on the other end of the call is vital. We have it on the go. We can enter the details whenever we are. I would 100% recommend anyone to work with target integration. The ability to add modules to Odoo and to customize them, again, I can't emphasize enough how important that is for a business in this day and age. We will work closely with target integration on our expansion plans.